How y'all doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good afternoon. But I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, the storms have finally moved off. Got a lot of rain, over 7 inches. And it's sunny today. Hopefully things will start drying out, about 62 degrees. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, sure enough, thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I'm finna do something. I actually feel kind of dumb because I didn't know this and I've never done it before, but give me a second and I'm gonna show you what I'm fixing to do. All right, Dan, what you finna do over there at the home of the sticks? Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm a sure enough big fan of ferns. I really love them. I've had quite a few ferns over here in the past, but guess what? I could never keep them alive. They would always die on me after several weeks. Now, the one thing that I didn't know is there are several different species of ferns. There's Boston ferns, macho ferns, and the one that I'm really liking is the Kimberly Fern. And Jamie actually brought one over here to the home of the sticks a couple of, I think last weekend. And there it is right there. It is just a big old beautiful fern. Now Dan, what's the deal with the Kimberly Fern? Well, from my research and from what Jamie said, the Kimberly Fern is drought resistant. I've heard that they don't like a lot of sun, and I've also heard a lot of folks say that they don't mind taking full sun. So what I did was, when I was at work, I commenced to buying 2 more ferns, Kimberly ferns. Now, what I'm gonna attempt to do, because I have never done this before at all. I'm a sure enough avid gardener, but I'm a vegetable gardener. I'm not so much a, flower gardener, but that's okay. I'm learning. What I have not done, again, is repotted a fern. And somebody told me something, and I felt really dumb because it made a whole bunch of sense, and I was kind of like, really? You would really do that? I'm finna set y'all up. We're gonna repot one of these Kimberly ferns because I'm starting to lose light over here. It's about 18-20 hours Central Time over here in East Central Mississippi. So I'm gonna quit flapping my gum and we fitting to commence to repotting a fern. All right, here is my Kimberly Fern. It's just a little bitty small one, and there's a big difference in these ferns as far as the leaves and how they look. But that may be a topic for another video. But here's my fern, here's my pot. Somebody at work actually told me, Dan, ferns, you don't have to water ferns a lot. I probably overwater my ferns and that's why they died, I don't know. But we're gonna try it a different way. But she said, get you just a plastic bag or dang, like a Walmart sack or just an old plastic bag and line the bottom of your planter with the bag. And get you something with a sharp edge and just jab some holes in it. All right, Dan, what's the dealio behind that? Well, what happens is you punch it, you put some holes in that bag, that's the water actually drains out slowly, thus keeping the water in the pot and around your fern, keeping it alive. Ferns really don't need to be watered but maybe once a week, and I guess if it's hot, maybe twice a week. So I'm gonna put y'all on a tripod and we're gonna replant a fern, I reckon. Before I do that, let me show you what I am trying out. And that's this stuff right here. I've never used this before, but this is a product called Bacto, and it is premium potting soil. So we're gonna give this guy a try and see how this soil grows. And it's also got some slow release fertilizers. Not really worried about that. I hear tell this is a really good growing medium, so let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna put some of this Bacto in the bottom of this thing right here. Probably try to cover up this bag real good. Maybe not cover it up. And I'm gonna attempt to put that fern directly in the middle right here and then fill this in with more Bacto. So let's see how that goes. Got some really nice roots on it. Let's see if we can't tease these roots out a little bit. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Something like that maybe. All right, move the camera back because all you were seeing was just a whole bunch of green stuff hitting y'all in the face. Get some more of this Bacto. Fill in around this guy. Boy, this pot sure does look mighty small. Anyways, kind of like tamping this soil down around it. I hope I'm doing this right. Hate the fact that I'm not covering up some of these roots, but I guess that'll be okay. Let me get y'all off this tripod right quick. Okay, check it out. Look at him. I hope I did that right. There's a bunch of roots showing, but they ain't really had a lot of room for this fern just to sit in there. Maybe I could have used just a little bit less soil on the bottom. I don't know. What do y'all think? Look there. I think it's gonna do. And I got the little wire thingy things. Got these things right here that actually hook on to the outside edges where you could hang this yoke up like this one right there. So I don't know. May have to do that tomorrow because we're losing light. But yeah, there we go. Never done it before until today. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy, Dan Referee has never repotted a fern before, or have I been able to keep them alive for, over a month. So I guess we're gonna see how this goes, because I really like ferns. They are just neat growing plants just to begin with. But hey, we all gotta learn how to do new things, right? So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good afternoon, and I hope everybody stays safe for the rest of the week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homie 6 channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like learning how to repot ferns. That being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee, show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You show enough, get your shine on, get your grow on, plant something. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.